Hey, my friends, most people will never live the life that they want, not because they lack the talent or the drive, but because they never discover the discipline that separates those who drift from those who dominate. And that discipline is neurovisioning. And I highlight that all in my book, How to Visualize Like a World Champion. Now, world champions don't wait for success. They engineer it. They understand that the vision comes before the victory. And they use neurovisioning to program their minds with the future they've already decided that's theirs. Now, How to Visualize Like a World Champion introduces you to the secrets of neurovisioning. It's not about wishful thinking or cutting out pictures out of magazines. It's about rewiring your subconscious mind, your self-image, mastering your mental process, and using a biblically rooted step-by-step system to manifest your desires with precision. Now, neurovisioning is not a gimmick. It's not a hack. It's a discipline. It's a movement. Now, like all other rare things, it's reserved for those who refuse mediocrity and ready to take their step into a higher circle of influence, power, and freedom. Now, most people will pay me $1,000 an hour for private coaching. And what I teach them is exactly what's inside this book. Now, you can invest $1,000 and learn neurovisioning directly from me, but I wanted to make this discipline more accessible to more people. So I put it all in this book, How to Visualize Like a World Champion. Now, it sells on Amazon for about $80, but because you're here, I'm going to give you the same neurovisioning system on my website right now for $44. I'm also going to throw some bonuses in there as well. Now, that's less than the cost of dinner for the exact same framework to rewire your mind, rebuild your self-image, and reshape your future. Now, imagine stepping into that home you once thought was out of reach. Imagine pulling up in that car you only thought was a dream. Imagine the freedom to live, to give, to impact without financial constraints. That's the power of neurovisioning. Now, this isn't for everybody. Most people will keep drifting, keep waiting, wishing, but for those of you who are ready to master their minds like a world champion, How to Visualize Like a World Champion is your starting point. Now, don't just dream, don't just visualize, learn neurovisioning and start living like a champion today. Get your copy.